The biggest obstacle in the stock market is your own emotions. Stick around and I'll show you how to conquer those and become a better trader. Welcome to the Framework Fortune YouTube channel. I'm your host, Ben. If you want to build your financial freedom, start your journey now by hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell. Today we are going to talk about emotions in the stock market and how to control them. The whole stock market is not a bunch of companies and pieces of paper and money. The stock market is emotions. When the economy's good, people are happy and excited. They're buying stocks, stock prices are going up, everybody's making money. That's excitement, that's an emotion. Same thing when there's a recession or a war, everybody's scared, so they're selling. They're afraid that they're going to lose their money. So as you can see, the whole entire market is literally nothing but emotions. And the few select traders that can control their emotions now have an advantage over the rest of the market. Because while everybody else is trading off of emotion, these traders are using those emotions against them, giving them a nice edge. By the end of this video, I guarantee you will be able to be a whole lot better trader just by doing these simple things. So there's 4 emotions we're going to talk about. And those 4 emotions that we're going to target are fear, greed, excitement, and doubt. So let's get into it. The first one is fear. Fear is a very powerful emotion. You watch a scary movie, you get chills. You're afraid, you have problems sleeping at night. That's because fear can really control you. And what we fear is the things we don't know. And to overcome fear in the stock market, all you need to do is know. Learn the knowledge to conquer your fear. So if you don't know how to work the platform, learn how to work the platform. Learn how to buy and sell. Learn support and resistance. Learn all the things you need to succeed, and then you won't have any fear. You will go into a trade knowing all the possible outcomes, and there will not be any reason to be afraid. Sure, the stock might drop, but you won't have the fear of losing money because you will cut your losses quick. You know before you enter that trade, if you cut your losses quick, it will not hurt you. And that is the key to conquering fear, is knowing. So take the time to study and practice and paper trade, and you will be able to conquer fear. Greed should be an obvious emotion. As soon as you hear stock market or day trading, you think about the Lamborghinis and the big houses. That's because those traders or those marketers are trying to appeal to your greed emotion. And the greed emotion is very, very bad in the stock market. Greed will cause you more losses than anything else. If you get into a trade and you're being greedy, you want it to go to $1.50 and it's at $1. And it gets to $1.50 and then you see it's going to keep going. So you decide you're going to keep holding. So it goes up to maybe $2 and you're like, I'm not going to sell. I'm going to let this ride out and I'm going to make $1 million off of this. Your greed emotion is taking over and you have to control that. Because if you don't, what's going to happen is you're going to hold that stock for that period of time and then it's going to start crashing and crashing and crashing because stocks don't go up forever. What goes up must come down. And as long as you're being greedy, this is going to happen over and over and over again and you're going to constantly lose. But no worries. There's something that can fix your greed emotion. You can keep it in check by using discipline. Discipline will take you so far in the stock market. Just like with anything else in life, if you stay disciplined, you will be able to handle that greed emotion and not make stupid mistakes like holding stocks too long. You need to be disciplined to know when you go into a trade that you're going to sell at this point. Whether it drops, you're going to sell at a small loss or you're going to sell at a nice profit, but you're not going to get greedy and hold it anymore past that. You want to be in the trade for 2 minutes, only be in the trade for 2 minutes. Discipline yourself to do that. If you can discipline yourself, then you will not have to worry about greed. You have a target every time you go in and out of a trade, and you will conquer greed. Everybody gets excited when they're new to day trading. And the reason motivation is not on this list is because motivation is a very short lasting emotion. You can be motivated, but I already know you're motivated because you clicked on this video. So we don't need to cover that. Excitement, however, is going to carry on with you for probably a couple weeks, maybe months, maybe for the rest of your life in the stock market, especially if you become good at it. Because when you hit a nice profit on a stock, you're very happy. You're like, yes, I'm making money. This is great. I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm so excited that Lambo is coming. And this is going to kill you in the long run. You cannot stay excited in the stock market. This will also transfer over to greed because you get too excited and then you get greedy, and now you're holding on to a stock way too long that you shouldn't be. You need that discipline, once again, to take over that excitement and that greed. Now, discipline will help with excitement, but also confidence. There's a difference between confidence and excitement. You want to keep your excitement low and your confidence high. Now, you don't want to be overconfident, but you want to be confident and disciplined that when every time you go into a trade, you know the outcomes and you know what's going to happen. You're hitting that buy button without any hesitation and that sell button without any hesitation. When you know that you're not going to sell too fast and you're not going to cut losses too late and you're not going to hold the stock too long, when you're confident in your abilities, you will make smart decisions and you will stay disciplined. Now, to build your confidence, paper trade. Don't sit there and use your money, your real money, and lose it. It's going to kill your confidence. Beginning as a new trader, you need to grow your confidence. So do that paper trading. Get all the jitters out, all the excitement, all the rookie mistakes out on paper trading. So when you use real money, you will be ready, you will be confident, you will be disciplined, you will be making the trades that you've already been making on paper trading successfully, but you'll be making it with real money, and that will build your confidence more, and it'll make you stick to that discipline. Doubt will make you fail as a trader. The only way to fail as a day trader is give up, and doubt will make you give up. When you start doubting yourself, you start letting fear back in. And now that you're doubting and you're getting scared, you're making mistakes and you're losing money and your confidence is down, and everything that you've learned up to this point can be destroyed by doubt, but you need that confidence. And it's the same thing to grow that confidence. Once you paper trade and you're confident paper trading, when you start using real money, that doubt will be gone. You won't have any doubt. Now, there are days where maybe the stock market isn't just doing what it's supposed to, and you take a small loss and maybe another small loss. That's where you want to quit. This is where discipline comes back in. You got to stop, walk away, come back the next day, because if you keep doing that, you're going to get on a downhill snowball effect where you keep doubting yourself and losing all that confidence that you've built. The stock market is about emotions and momentum, so you want to keep that confident, disciplined momentum rolling. And if you have a bad day, that's fine. Just take that losing trade and go about the rest of your day. Don't worry about it. The stock market's going to be there the next day. So start that next day with a brand new, fresh slate, and don't worry about the doubt. Get back confident and build yourself back up. So these 3 steps will help you become a better trader. Learn the knowledge, practice it till you're disciplined, and build your confidence. By doing that, you will have an edge over everybody else who is trading with emotions. That's it for this video, guys. If you like this and you know somebody else who's a new trader and they're struggling, share this video with them. Comment below and let me know of a time when your emotions took over during a trade. You've been watching Framework Fortune. I'm your host, Ben. Until next time.